Ninth Standard Geography, Chapter 10, Population of Karnataka. Exercises. First main, fill in the blanks with suitable words. First one, the total population of Karnataka according to the 2011 census is dash. Answer is 6 crores 11 lakhs 30,000 and 704. Second one, the most populous district of Karnataka is dash. Answer is Bengaluru urban. Let's move to third one. The district which has more females is dash. Answer is Udupi. Fourth one. The district which has the least population is dash. Answer is Kodagu. Question number 5. The average density of population per square kilometer in Karnataka is dash. Answer is 319. Let's move to second main. Discuss in groups and answer the following questions. First one, write a note on the growth of population in Karnataka. According to the 2001 census, the total population of Karnataka was 5 crore 28 lakh 50,000 and 562. In the decade from 2001 to 2011, 80 lakh 80,142 persons have been added to the population. The growth rate during this period was 15.67%. This growth rate is lower than the growth rate of population in India. The reason for this is awareness about family planning programs, literacy programs, birth control, etc. These are all about the growth of population in Karnataka. Question number 2. Name the district with the highest and the lowest density of population. Answer is Bengaluru urban and Udupi. Question number 3. Explain the characteristics of urban and rural population in Karnataka. Answer is Karnataka has a large number of villages. As per the 2011 census, the rural population is totally 3.75 crore. It means that the rural population is 61.4% and 38.6% live in urban areas. Compared to the average urban population of India, the urban population of Karnataka is greater. It is not distributed equally in all the districts. Bengaluru urban district has the largest urban population, whereas Kodagu district has the smallest urban population. These are all about the characteristics of urban and rural population in Karnataka. Let's move to question number 4. Write a note on literacy in Karnataka. Answer is the average literacy rate in 2011 was 75.6%. This rate is higher than the average literacy rate of 7.4% in India. When district-wise literacy rate is considered, Dakshina Kannada district with 88.6% occupies the first position. Bengaluru urban district occupies the second position. Udupi district occupies the third position. In contrast, Yadgir with 52.4% has lowest literacy rate. Male literacy rate is 82.9%, whereas female literacy rate is 68.2% in Karnataka. When the literacy rates in urban and rural areas are compared, naturally the literacy rate in urban areas is higher. These are all about literacy in Karnataka.